24 days to Christmas. It's Atlas Cyber here on TryHackMe. And we're going to do the one called, let's go down to this one here, it's called DevSecOps. So, Development, Security, Operations. I guess that is the case for today's room. Probably something brand new. Let's get the IP address, put it into the browser. And that should be some sort of address we can put directly into the browser. I think I saw that while I was scrolling downwards. Yes, there is. And it's probably because it's been a while since we actually did something on the servers here, so I need to do a sudo open for my OpenVPN, and that should enable me to see the web page, which is a GitLab taking too much time to respond. Whoops, blah blah blah. Alright, so let's see, this wasn't the case, so let's one more time. No. Go back. Okay, so we have a problem viewing the. So after login, you see warning, specify adding SSH key. I do not see that. Maybe we have too many people trying to connect at the moment. Let's check out the Discord channel, and for obvious reasons, I'm not gonna show that. It seems like it's running. Let's try one more time. And there we go. So if you had this issue, maybe just wait a second or two and it's gonna be there for you. Alright, so we will now be tasked to do something. Upon login, you should see the DevOps and the AOC calendar. Okay, so do we have some credentials somewhere? We will need that. There we have it. DevSecOps. Mamma mia. DevSecOps. TryHackMe. Okay. Let's just save that. So we see this code base right here, as we were told to do. Let's do the project. It's a workflow of the Advent calendar site for the best festival company, built by Andacticraft. If we check the repository, we'll see the Apache to the host index file. Let me do that. And we see different kind of things. Yes, so we in the GitLab. We see the public folder, and we'll see some other things. What's in the public folder? That's the Apache. Well, there's an index file anyways, so that's pretty dull. That's the configuration file. GitLab CI YML is written as YAML. Let's go ahead and check that out. So let's go one back, go into the folder one more time, and then we have the GitLab CI YAML, where we can see how things are being done. Just, quickly taking a glance at what we have right here to see if we see anything in particular. Now, the questions we need to answer, let's also take a glance at those. Those are: what is the handle of the developer responsible for the merge changes? Don't know what the handle is in this particular case. Goes to the username Frostino. The handle name. Now, I have never used GitLab, and I'm no DevOps type at all, so I think it's pretty weird. The handle, do we have something called handle somewhere? I don't see it. Oh, beautiful avatar, access token, handle, SSH key, no, GPT key, preferences, password, no, email, access token maybe. And you guys that know this probably already know what it is, but I have literally no idea what a handle is in this particular case. So, alright, so the question was, what is the handle of the developer responsible for the merge changes? Well, there's a merge change going on somewhere, I guess. Let's just check it out. I literally have no idea. Oh, there are something there. The handle, is that a handle? Okay, so it's just basically an identifier. What port is the defaced calendar site running on? So we should be able to go back, I guess, and probably take out this file right here, and maybe it looks like it's 9081 to 80, so 9081. Great. What server is the malicious server running on? Well, it looks like it's a Docker server, but maybe they mean it's something different. It could also be an Apache, which is right there. So let's see how much they want me to do. This is the Apache they want me to answer. It is. What message did the Frostling leave on the defaced side? Alright, so we should probably check this out again. Wherever it is this the... This is not the right file to check, it seems like. Let's go back. Yeah, here we see the changes, and the changes are pretty neat. So let's go back. Oh, snap. Go back. It's pretty obvious that I'm not really using GitLab, but hey, it's working for me, so I think I'm good. Let's go check out the index file. And doesn't really have any message to say what message it's Frostling. Oh wow. What is the image? What is this? Frostling's rule? Is that Frostling's rule? Is that the way they spell it? Okay, so it's the image that contains the message. Let's just check that and say that's fine. Okay, so what is the commit ID of the original code? The commit ID of the original code. So now I need to use my skills as a GitLab engineer. So there are 18 commits, and it would seem that the authorized 1 week ago, is it reversed? Let's try the bottom one, because I think it's the reversed. No, it's not reversed. So is it the top one then? No, really not. So I am then looking. only have one main branch, and the original. Okay, so maybe they mean after Frostlino. So could it be they just wanted to take this, for example? No, they're not. So I'm running out of ideas. The 6th December, the 7th December, and this is that is the commit number. So this is what I would originally say, which is wrong. It's the commit ID of the original code for the admin calendar site. Okay. Let's check it out one more time from the start. We have these different things here, and I'm no big fan of this GitLab with one branch, 18 commits. Let's check the branch. So, is it this one? Ready for deployment? Just trying. Okay, so I'm really failing at GitLab. All. No. Can I click it? The parent. Is it the parent of the main? Okay, so I'm really bad at GitLab. No. Okay, so this is getting weird. Alright, so maybe we should just go back to the original one that I figured out, the commit tree, because I think we're just going down a rabbit hole right here. And okay, so let's see what's going on. So the question is, what's the commit of your original code for the admin calendar site? Okay, so we are adding a README. We are adding directories, adding file, and directory, adding whoop whoop. What is whoop whoop? Okay, so that's something else. And the meow, opt meow. Okay, I don't really get it. I got the test deployed pipeline. It looks like code. This is the original commutable code for the admin site. Well, and that we did try that one. I'm pretty confident we've tried it all. I'm not really sure. Oh, we didn't. The commit ID of the original code for the admin of calendar site. Well, who would have known? I don't really see that this is the code for it. I just see this is the YAM file. But okay, if that is what they mean, you know, where's my case? This is the room today. We're done. Let's close this window because I don't like it. So today is a, yeah, you know, I'm not the happy leprechaun today. I think this is great, you know, some evidence crawling rooms, but I would really like to see more red rooms. So I really hope to enjoy the next 4 days of admin cyber. I think this room was particularly boring, but I really hope that you liked it nevertheless. Have a really nice day and see you again tomorrow.